This here has become my work table. I have saved the mold. I put a board over the back side one, which is still intact, and I do plan on doing another melt in this mold. But I'm going to show you, I got a package in the mail soon, so I'll be doing this first, but I got something I'll share with you. Oh, the birds are driving me nuts. I got these free the other day. And cast iron is just always good. It's a nice pan. Griswold, Erie 704, number 8. I don't know, I'll look that up if there's any value in that, but it's nice looking, very clean. It's one of the best I ever got for the price. And I got this, an aluminum pan. This is going to be turned into something else useful in my oven. So that's really cool. I got that for free. And I'm going to melt it. Oh, that's not getting melted. That was being used for gardening. So I got some packages in the mail. These are all related. So I got 2 little packages in this one. See how that looks. Hopefully everything's good, turns out. But again, this is all related to what I just showed you. But here I have some magnets. A pack of ceramic magnets. And I know that for some people it's not exciting. And here I have, backwards. Many people are going to have no idea. If anybody guesses, I'd love to know if you can guess what this is all about before I get to it. There's a mess of 50 skateboard bearings. Cool, they come in tubes. Very nice, I like that. So there's a 50 pack of bearings. So that, plus these, plus this, all go together. I'm going to make a motor. I'm going to make my own electric motor. Now here is something else that also goes along with everything on the table. All related. That is the right stuff. That's the stuff that I really need. This is, I don't know how to say it, Teton Bond 130. This is 130 mesh Petrobond foundry sand. That's the stuff that you need. And I got it. So now I have it. And there's something else that I got that goes along with that and everything else. Well, sort of. Does anybody know what this is for? This is a piece of railroad track. It is incredibly heavy. I can't believe how heavy a little piece of railroad track is. Somebody had painted it. It was old and rusty and pitted. And now I have it. Anybody have any idea what that's for? I know some people are going to know what that's for. Well, anyway, all of these, I'm going to be melting metals again. And obviously the pan is going to be melted down. And I'm going to make a flywheel. And I'm going to put a bearing in the middle and magnets on it. And I'm going to make myself a motor generator type device for my electronics. And first I'm going to use that sand mold that I made myself. And I really want to experiment more with that because I really do believe that I can do it and let it dry in the sun, and I believe it'll work well. So I'm not giving up on that, but I did get this for finer work. And this This is what you use, or what you would call a poor man's anvil. So I am going to be making a forge very soon here, my own self. I have the materials, I just have to go pick it up. I have the free materials waiting for me to go get. There's bricks that I can go get for free, and there's clay I can go get for free. And then I'm going to make my own charcoal forge. And then this is my poor man's anvil. I may try to smooth that edge off. It looks like it's been pounded on heavily. There's a lot of scratches and dings and marks on it, so it's probably been used for that purpose. Well, anyway, that's all I wanted to do today, is to share with you a brief video of some of the things I got and what's coming in the future. Well, I am thinking of it. Some people are asking, and it's a very good question, a very valid question. One person asked, well, what does this have to do with homesteading? That's a valid question. And it gets me very excited to tell you that when you have the ability to make your own tools out of scrap materials, I can get free aluminum and I can melt it down and I can make my own molds. There's no limit to what I can do. Oh wait, let me bring back that shovel. Hold on. Alright, take our garden set, for example. God forbid, but if any one of these would ever break, then I now have the ability to take the pieces, put it in the casting sand, and make a new one. That is really awesome. That really leads me further towards self-sufficiency. And I'm also going to be able to take copper, low-grade copper ore from the mines up north that I get for free, come home, melt it down in the furnace, get pure copper, put it in the forge, smash it out, and make my own, say, jewelry for sale or whatever. But being able to make your own metals, make your own tools with I'm going to have a charcoal forge. I will be able to take scrap, junk, iron, tools, products, whatever, bolts, nuts, bearings, any scrap iron, and then I'll be able to make my own tools. So a homesteader should be very excited about the ability to make your own stuff. I can, with the furnace, your imagination is your own limit on what you can make with the furnace, with the casting sand. It's just incredible how many things I can think of that I can make with the furnace. And for homesteading, just being able to make your own tools, your own knives, your own axe, your own equipment, and having the charcoal forge means that I'll be able to, even if the grid goes down, I'll still be able to produce my own tools and my own knives, and or even my own nails. Out of any scrap iron I can find laying around, I'll still be able, grid down scenario, to make my own tools and equipment. That is really awesome. And I may even work on a melting furnace with charcoal. I'm going to experiment. I don't know if it's ever been done, but melting aluminum does not require that much heat. So check out Country Wood Products, where I made over 50 of these splitting and sawing and tree felling wedges on my sawmill. It was a really fun work, really cool video, and I'm using them. And that video is yet to come. I fired up my Alaskan sawmill, and I have an ongoing video of me prepping it and getting it going, which I haven't finished yet. But these are really useful. So check that out. I'll put the link down below. So that's it for today. Very brief. Just want to share with you some cool things going on behind the scenes that I'm gathering together and getting ready for. please like this video, subscribe if you haven't, because there's more stuff like this and some other homesteading type things coming very soon. Talk to y'all later.